Hello guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss how to find a backend programming of any HTML web page. So when you saw any page on any website, you are wondered that how they do that. It is very simple to find the backend programming of any web page. So in this video, I will discuss how to find a backend programming in HTML, CSS of any HTML page. So it is very simple. Just right click on your page, any page you want to find the source code of that page, and just click on that view page source. You can also type Control U to find that directly source code. And here's appears in another file in which is a document, HTML document. So simply you can see that there is a lot of code in HTML, CSS. This is a source code of that page. I open the source code. So here you can also inspect any element which is appears on your screen. So just click on that element or any empty space or blank space on your page and click on the option inspect. By inspecting any page, you find the HTML CSS code of that typical element, and it will represent that which code represents which block on that page. So just when you just click on that page, it will represent that where this code is actually work on the web page. So you can see it appears that there is code in HTML and CSS. So when I click on that code, it will represent that where this code is working on screen. So overall, it's work on all the page. When I click on that typical or specific portion on that, it will show that where this block of code specifically work on that page. So as I'm moving the cursor, you can see that the parents on that page is changing that when I highlighted any code, it will present that where this code actually work on your web page. Thank you.